How to transfer Solana from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. So it's another easy process. Just make sure you have a Bitget wallet exchange. Make sure you have the Bitget exchange on your device. Once you do, head over to the wallet at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, go ahead and click on withdraw and then click on chain withdrawal. Once you've done this, go ahead and select Solana as a token you want to send. So we have Solana in the available to withdraw. In case you do not see it, you could just use the search option here and type out SOL. That's the short form for Solana. Click on Solana here. Once you selected Solana, just go ahead and just, provide the Solana address from the Phantom wallet. To do this, minimize, scroll till you find your Phantom wallet. Once you found the Phantom wallet, open it up. And then where we have your first trade, you can see Solana here. Click on Solana. And then where we have the option to receive some Solana, you're going to see it here. Click on the QR code, copy, minimize, and then open up the Bitget exchange again. The networks that are available for Solana is just Solana. There's no other network. So make sure the address is complete and then go ahead and enter the amount of Solana you want to send. So let's say you want to send this amount. Just go ahead and click on withdraw and that's it. All right.